Each year, the PEP Board of Directors presents Environmental Stewardship Awards to member companies whose work has made significant contributions to the Gulf Coast triple bottom line: the environment, the economy, and the community. The awards celebrate the inventive and unique approaches our members take to solve environmental problems and enhance the sustainability and resiliency of our coastlines. Our first award goes to Alabama Power, a subsidiary of Southern Company, one of the nation's largest energy producers. In this project, Alabama Power partnered with the Alabama Wildlife Federation and the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources to deploy an artificial reef off the coast of Dauphin Island. The reef contains 3 repurposed tanks from the Alabama Power's Berry Steam Plant. It is the first of 26 artificial reefs deployed in the Alabama Wildlife Federation's near-shore artificial reef zone. Artificial reefs like the one deployed by the team at Alabama Power are crucial to preserving and increasing the populations of vibrant, biologically diverse marine animals that inhabit our waters and enhance opportunities for popular outdoor activities like fishing, snorkeling, and scuba diving. Our second award goes to Ephriam and Associates Environmental Consulting, specializing in land use development to resolve issues for businesses and the community. The Rain Barrel Program is a partnership between Mobile Bay National Estuary Program, Greif Soterra, and Alabama Power to install rain barrels at residences located at the upstream of the Tolman's Spring Branch, a tributary to the 3 Mile Creek watershed. This area is a significant flooding and sewer overflow hotspot in Pritchard and Mobile. The barrels were constructed from recycled, food-grade 55-gallon drums and painted with algae retardant. The harvested rainwater from 330 installed rain barrels provides an alternative source of low-cost, non-potable water to 157 homeowners to use in their gardens, flush toilets, and wash vehicles. The 163,000 gallons of harvested rainwater is a collective monthly savings of $3,900 for the participating homes. Ephriam and the Rain Barrel team are making a difference in our coastal environment and directly impacting the lives and wallets of an underserved community. Evonik is a world leader in specialty chemicals with more than 20 individual production units across their plant sites in Mobile, Alabama. Evonik chose to turn lemons into lemonade with 2 habitat enhancement projects when the COVID-19 pandemic started limiting employee activities and volunteer opportunities. Team members built 70 bluebird house kits and 15 duck house kits so employees could take them home to make with their families. Each kit was assembled and installed on Evonik's property in time for the spring nesting season. The Evonik team also focused on their ongoing monitoring of the variety and growth of plant species on their site by targeting nearly 12 acres of low-quality wet pine flats for restoration. They saw the return of several native species, including giant plume grass. Evonik recognized an opportunity to enhance their existing wildlife habitats while providing their team members and families a chance to work together to improve our coastal environment while remaining healthy and safe. Our next award goes to FMC Corporation. FMC manufactures agricultural chemicals used for insect control and crop protection at their Axis, Alabama location. FMC must use multiple solvents to produce these agricultural chemicals, so the site utilizes a solvent recycling process to reduce the consumption of fresh solvent and limit waste generation. In this project, FMC improved their solvent recovery capacity by more than 50% and reduced waste generation overall by 25%. And saw a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions from transportation and processing of spent waste. Both environmentally friendly and cost-efficient, the solvent recovery process performed by FMC Mobile will continue to improve their business and our coastal community. Our fifth award goes to Goodwyn Mills Cawood and Riviera Utilities. In this project, Riviera Utilities engaged local multidisciplined architecture and engineering firm Goodwyn Cawood to develop, design, and aid in the construction and startup of an innovative water reclamation project. Because the Wolf Creek Wastewater Treatment Facility's receiving stream, Wolf Creek, discharges into Wolf Bay, these improvements have the potential to positively impact the critical ecosystems on the Gulf Coast for years to come. The project partner selected the Aqua Narita aerobic granular sludge technology as the basis of the design. The upgraded facility became the first full-scale installation of this innovative technology in North America. The infrastructure investment by Riviera Utilities was substantial, and the design and construction illustrate their commitment to clean water along the Gulf Coast. And our last stewardship award goes to Hargrove Engineers and Constructors and Arkema, Inc. Arkema is a global leader in specialty materials, and Hargrove is a full-service engineering, construction, and procurement firm headquartered in Mobile, Alabama. Arkema hired Hargrove to develop and produce a cutting-edge resin capstan PEKK plant in Axis, Alabama. Though it complicated the project from a planning and execution standpoint, Arkema and Hargrove chose to renovate an existing structure instead of tearing it down to make room for the new line. Arkema's investment in a new resin line supports sustainable development by producing carbon fiber reinforced composites and 3D printing materials. Parts made of capstan PEKK can replace metal in future generations of aircraft and automobiles, and the lightweight materials offer better fuel economy and reduced carbon footprint. Each year, the PEP Board of Directors honors a community partner, an entity, or individual that has made a lasting impact on coastal Alabama's sustainability and resiliency. PEP's 2021 Community Partner Award goes to the Nature Conservancy of Alabama for the Lightning Point Shoreline Restoration. The Lightning Point Shoreline Restoration project improved the environmental value of the area and created a renewed draw for ecotourism and recreational access to the shore. Located in Bayou La Battery, Alabama, tropical storms, hurricanes, and the Deepwater Horizon oil spill caused the Lightning Point area to lose roughly 600 feet of shoreline over the past century. This project added 1.5 miles of overlapping and segmented breakwaters and nearly 40 acres of habitat. With the new habitat components in place, various shore and wading birds, waterfowl, fisheries, and other wildlife species are thriving at Lightning Point. Members of the Bayou La Battery community are using the area for fishing, boating, and other water-based recreation. As part of the award, we provide special recognition to PEP member Moffat and Nichol for their engineering leadership and management of this project. Other PEP members involved in this broad project include Alabama Power and Rowe Engineering. PEP's annual awards aim to inspire more businesses to follow the example of these member companies who are choosing to be more environmentally conscious and responsible. Please join us in congratulating our 2021 award recipients for their environmental stewardship along the Gulf Coast.